Sophie, what happened? What happened? You went to chicken the beach? No, partly what is it? How do you make you also where are these beauty? Empathy master there. Or they are in the pond. Yeah. 4 5 days something practice and come or yes. Yes. So who doesn't know? You will you practice anything? What? Which chapter? Which chapter do you revise? You yes. What do you know? Culture, Icse and distance. Icse and how many questions you have done a culture? Yeah, all the time for what? Yeah, similarity. That's it. That is Today come on stand up. Yes, sir. Where are really? Income by bills, every day you come from my bill. Formula, yes. You practice anything? Kilos and Yeah. What is what the reason is done? What extra? I know why, because you never examine them. Stop talking now. Yeah, be quiet now. Aarti. Where? Where? Kargil. You are staying in Kargil. Why you late?
I wasn't late. I came after you came. No. Just the second. Last second I came.
Gayatri, plus I don't even play. If you're having some group, all are trying to play. And you are not at any second level. Okay, chalo. Yeah, Rudra, Ganpati. Yeah. Yeah, all of you, listen, all of you. Don't waste much of your time. I'm telling you again, these all festivals will be going on. Study also do it. Okay. But it's not only okay. My friends also go. These friends also go. Go ahead, but limit your time. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Listen. We are doing the chapter probability part. Sample space we were discussing. Now, after today or my next lecture, our probability will be over. And we will be starting the graphical representation and your statistics part. Methods of consistency. Started now. Before it is started, so next class onwards. Yeah. Next class onwards, all of you must carry your graph. Graph book means along the graph book, bottom can be your pencil and scale and eraser at this point. Okay, these might be compulsory. Those who don't have the graph, I will send you out. Okay, so we are discussing about resource sample space. We discussed cards. We are discussed. Okay, some of the schools again. Listen here. Some of the schools are taught about the card. Some of the schools says it is not in the syllabus. Whatever it is, I have explained this one. If it is coming, we do it. If not come, so do it. Okay, but it is explained. Okay, so the still cards we are done. This much sample space, all of you know. Yes, Mr. Yes. Yeah. So what is how many is the card? How many red cards are there? You are asking that if your red cards are not there. You know, card you see playing card. You know how to play the card, no? No. So no. Okay. Okay. Yes. Sit down. You know how many? Yes. How many aces are there? Ace. 4 aces are there. How many face cards are there? Face card we are not discussing. Face card. What is the mean? Face card means Start with the page is king, queen, and jack. King, queen, jack. The 3 4s are not 12. Okay, sit down. Start. Where is your friend? Yeah. Out. So please. Yeah. How many red face cards are there? Huh? 4. Total. The total how many cards are there? Face card. 12. It's half with the red, half with the red. Okay. So yeah, listen. Last class we stopped with the and or. Okay. What happened? Me? You don't know, Stan. That's why I asked you. Stand up there. Okay. How many aces are there? 4. How many kings are there? 4. How many kings or aces are there?
Kings or aces.
Or means what?
Union.
Union. So what is it? 4 plus 4, 8. Is there anything common between them? Nothing. So if common is there, we remove. Okay. How many spades or kings are there?
Spades or king?
How many spades are there?
Spades. 13.
13. How many kings are there?
1.
1 king.
Total 4.
Total 4. Out of 1 is gone. So what is it? 13 plus 3, 16. 100. How many spades and kings are there?
Spades and king.
Common 1. Understood. There is not the problem over there. Okay. Are we followed? You stand up. Yeah. 2 dice are rolled. Okay. How many cases are there? Then sum is at least at most 5. Tell the outcomes. You tell. At most 5. You know what is the meaning of at most? More than 5. Okay, so some can be 2, some can be 3, some can be 4, some can be 5. So with 1 you say 1 1, then 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, then 2 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 3 2, 4 4 1, 5, nothing, 5 1 6, nothing. So total 10. Understood? At least at most count that one. Okay? Understood? So followed all of you this one. Okay. So write one more. How many? Counting. Okay. Write the how many cases. Probability not reached. So 2 dice are rolled. Okay. Okay. So 2 dice are rolled. Multiple of 2 on 1 die. Multiple of 2. Or even number. Multiple of 2 on 1 die. Multiple of 3 on another die. Multiple of 2 on 1 die. And multiple of 3 on another die. Multiple of 2 on 1 die and multiple of 3 on another die. Write how many cases are there? Write down. Multiple of 2 on 1 die and multiple of 3 on another die. How many cases are there? DIE. Now we heard about die. Ludo, you heard about? Yeah. Dice, EIC. Don't know. Right now, what is which are the cases you write now? Example, if you want, I'll show this. Right. Let's say 4 6. 4 6 means 4 is a multiple of 2. 6 is a multiple of 3. Like that also. Huh? Do you think? What do you think? Yes or no? 2 is a 2 3 also is correct. Like that. Start with those who are not. How many have we got? 2 people got. 3 people. 4 5. Count how many are there? How many are there counted? 6. 6. All are wrong. Thank you. Yeah. 5. Okay, 5 or 3. Listen, which are that means most of you. All of you be quiet now and listen. multiple of 2 on one die and multiple of 3 on another die. 2 3 is possible? Yes or no? Yes. 2 is 2.
Yes.
And with 1 anything is possible? No. Why with 2? 2 4 is possible? No. 2 6 is possible? Yes. 3 3 2 3 4 3 6 possible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It is not. Listen after writing 4 3
Yes.
4 6
Yes.
with 5 nothing is possible. 6 2
Yes.
6 3
Yes.
6 4 6 6. Count how many are there? 2 4 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 7 plus 4 11. I got it. Now look here. What is the meaning? Listen. Multiple of 2 on one die. One die does not first die. So check it is and multiple of 3 on the other die. So 2 3. This is multiple of 2. This is multiple of 3. Multiple of 2. Multiple of 3. This is multiple of 2. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 2. Multiple of 3. Understood? One of them should be a multiple of 2. Other one should be the multiple of 3. 6 2. Multiple of 2. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 2. 2 3. One of them is 2. Other one is 3. Understood now?
Yes.
Followed. If this question I can tell multiple of 2 on the first die and 3 on the second die. Then this is possible. This is possible. These are not possible. Understood? These are possible. Then this is not possible. This possible. This possible. That you will come as 6. Understood? So listen and read the question carefully and write the answer. Okay. First and one are two different things. First means the first one. One means anybody. Like that. Okay. So that one is coming. Okay. Next is. So these are the things. Now one more thing I have to tell. Listen carefully. So cards are making numbering 1 2 3. What happened? What happened now? You got the answer? You have any problem? You got the answer? You have any problem? No, both of you listen now. Hello, listen now. Cards are drawn, cards making, okay, 1 2 3 up to 100. Instead of that one, cards numbered from, listen carefully the statements and give the answer. Cards numbered from 5 to 100. 5 to 100. Okay. How many cards are there? Raise the hand. Raise the hand. Cards numbered from 5 to 100. Now, how many cards are there? Those who know, raise the hand. You. 96. 95. Others, 3 people doesn't know. 91. 95. Cards made from 5 to 100 means there is a card with 5, there is a card with 6, there is a card. So how to find out means from 5 to 100. What is the meaning of from 5 to 100? 5 also included, 100 also is included. So forget about that one. Cards drawn, cards made from 1 to 5. How many cards are there? 5 cards. If you subtract 5 minus 1 is 4 only. So that is not 4 cards. So your answer is wrong. 5 to 100 means what? 100 minus 5 plus 1. Are we followed or not? I repeat the condition. If it is from 5 to 100, how many cards means? Difference plus 1. Between 5 and 100. Between 5 and 100 means what is not there? These two are not included. Therefore, difference minus 1. Are you followed? From 5 to 100 means difference plus 1. Between 5 and 100 means what? Difference minus 1. That is 100 minus. Remember this one. Because these all numbers only is important. Because that number is correct means your answer is correct. Are you followed this one? Okay. So that remember. So both the endpoints are included means difference plus 1. Both the endpoints are not there means what? Difference minus. This one is clear all of you? Okay. Now. Next is we have there are two type of probabilities there. One is textbook. Where is the textbook? Okay. So write one for textbook. Serena. Yeah. We have okay. Right. Yeah. Write the formula. Probability of an event. Probability of an event. Event means EVENT, event. Event means one outcome. Experiment, okay. Is equal to number of favorable cases. Number of favorable cases divided by number of favorable cases divided by total number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable cases divided by total number of possible outcomes. In formula form, we will write this way: P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. Probability of an event, for example, I'll tell you first. Suppose a coin is tossed twice. What are the possible outcomes? How many are there? 4. Yes or no? HHHT, THT. Okay, so that is N of S equal to 4. Find the probability of getting one head. Which are the favorable cases? Either HT or TH. So how many will be N of E? 2. Therefore, the answer is P of E is equal to 2 upon 4, 1 by 2. Okay. A coin, another one. A coin is tossed 2 times. What is the probability of getting 2 heads? So N of S is equal to how much? 4. That much all of you follow. Now 2 heads means how many cases? 2 heads? Only 1 case. Therefore N of E is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 1 by 4. Followed or not? Yes. And try to understand another one. If a coin is tossed 3 times. So immediately you can find out what is N of S. What is N of S? 8. Now, even I am going to tell. Getting 2 heads. How many cases are 2 heads? 3 cases, no? 2 heads means which are 3 cases? No, how many cases? 3. Therefore, N of E is equal to how much? 3. Therefore, probability is equal to 3 upon. Are you followed now? So, identify when the coin experiment means immediately find out what is the sample space. Then, followed all of you. Now, questions I am going to ask. Certain questions, listen. All of you, one by one. Yes. Unmake, standard. 2 dice are rolled. Okay. What is the probability of getting a doublet? Tell what all values. What is N of S? 36. Doublet. How many are there? 6. So probability 6 upon 36. 1 by 6. Have you followed all of you?
Yes.
Not followed, raise the hand. What is the problem? 2 dice are rolled. Do you know how many elements are there in the sample space? How many are there? 36. Therefore, N of S is equal to 36. Then, what is the probability of getting doublet? Do you know what I mean by doublet? Do you know? Last class it was discussed or not?
Yes.
That time both were sitting and talking. Yeah. Then you don't know what is doublet means. Then what? Then tell me what is doublet. So then what is your doubt then? So which are the doublet? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Counting, you know. So 6 are there. So 6 of probability is equal to 6 by 36. That is equal to 1 by 6. Problem solved for the viewer. Yes. You stand up. Yes. Coin is again. This one. Dice is rolled twice. What is the probability of getting sum is equal to 6? Those who got the answer, raise your hand. That is wrong. 5 upon 36. N of S, you know how much? 36. Sum is equal to 6. Which are the one? 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5. There are 5. So 5 upon 36. Understood or not? Counting only. Sit down. Akansha. Same question. Dice is rolled twice. Okay. What is the probability of getting sum is equal to 9? Check which are the sum is. Tell me which are the sum 9. Sum 9. With 1 anything sum 9?
3, 6.
No. 6, 4.
2, 5.
Or 5. It's fine. 5. And 6. 6. There are how many are there? 4. 4 by 36. That remaining the translations and all we can write. Understood all of you? Okay, sure. Okay. Ready? Or later? You ready? Okay. Okay, this one. Dice is rolled twice. Okay. Yeah, please don't talk. If you are talking, you will not understand anything. Dice, others also count. Some dice is rolled. Okay, some means at least 10. At least 10. At least 10 means what?
4, 6.
Some. What is the meaning of at least 10? Some can be
10.
10 or more means which are they? 10, 11 or 12. Okay.
So with 1 we had.
With 1 nothing. With the 2?
No.
3,
No.
4,
Yes.
4,
4,
6.
6.
Then 5.
5, 6.
6.
6, 6, 4, and 6, 5, 6.
Total 6. 6 by 36. 6 by 36. 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
Does it all of you? Yes. Hello, my friend. Are you listening anything? Yes, sure, no. Stand there. Coin toss twice. What is that? Okay. Yeah, okay, listen. Coin is tossed how many times? Twice. What is the probability of getting at least one head? At least one head.
I see no.
At least one head. What the answer is? Answer. 3, 5, 4. At least one has. At least one means minimum 1. 1 or 2. 1 head means HTTH. 2 head means HH. Total 3. 3 by 4. Understood all of you? Okay. Hold on. Last. Here. Listen. So written probability of the event. Written. Now below right. Yeah. Huh? Which question? Coin is tossed twice. Probability of getting at least one head. Huh? At least one head. Do you know what is the meaning of at least one head? Okay, not one head, at least one head. Now below right. But value of probability is such that value of probability is such that 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. Value of probability is such that zero less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. Understood or not? Okay. Now look here. What is the meaning of this one? The value of probability will be between 0 and 1. It can be 0, it can be 1. Lot of places you will see MCQs. Which of the following is a probability? Okay, there are 1.5 probability. One value 1.5. No, it's more than 1. Minus 0.5. No, 40%. Yes, what's the meaning of 40%? 40 by 100, less than 1. Okay, like that. So questions will come, then you have to be written. Okay, so P of E is equal to. So this one you follow. Now listen, there are 2 types of probabilities there. This is called theoretical probability. Okay, theoretical probability means this one directly by using the properties. Another one is called the experimental probability. Experimental probability means it is coming as we are conducting the experiment. For example, coin is tossed 10 times. I got 7 heads. So what is the probability of getting a head? 7 divided by 10. Okay. If it is taking us, whereas if it is coin is tossed, otherwise experimental ones, this is the theoretical probability means both of them have equal chance. Yes or no? See, when a coin is tossed, other one, a coin is tossed 100 times. I got 90 times tail. So how many times head you got? 10 times. Therefore, what is the probability of their head? Then 10 by 100, 1 by 10. Okay, if it is given that way. Or a lot of pen is there. There is a lot, let's say 100 pens are there. Out of which, these one, let's say these one, 10 are not working. What is the probability of good pens? 95. Like that. Okay. Otherwise, equal chance for everything. Okay, so you cannot find. What are they? Sit down there. So, when did you come over here? 6:15. That time you cannot go to washroom and all. So in between, don't ask me this all. Break time you can go. Okay, some emergency, medical emergency is there. No. Then why you have to do all these things? You need to do all these. But you know the following now. So you will ask question. Okay. 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 Who is there? They let them laugh now. Why you are looking at them? They, if anyone hello, if anyone laughing without reason, you know what is the reason. You don't mind now. Let them laugh. What is the problem? There are people laughing. Why you have to look at them? After look over there, let them look. Okay. Listen. Now next is there are 2-3 cases are there. One is called impossible event. And another one is called sure event. Correct. Impossible event. Impossible event. The word itself is clear now.
Yes.
So right below right. The probability of an impossible event is 0. Probability of an impossible event is 0. Anyone can give an example of an impossible event? Huh? Look here, don't tell vague examples like that. You have to
More than 26 red cards.
more, yes, from a pack of cards, what is the probability of getting more than 26 red cards? Not possible. Yes or no? 0.
Some
Or
more.
some more than yours. Okay. Now listen, or between one die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting a number between 3 and 4? There is nothing between 3 and 4. Okay. Huh?
Getting fired.
Okay. So like that. These are called impossible event. That probability is equal to 0. Understood? Next one is called sure event. Sure, S-U-R-E. Sure event. Sure event. Gayatri, you. This one, sure event. Sure event. Written. Value of the probability of the sure event is 1. Value of probability of a sure event is equal to 1. So give example of the sure event. Yes.
Icse is good twice possibility of insurance.
Huh? Repeat. Repeat. Okay.
Possibility of
Yeah. Yes. I think that. Then.
the coin is cost twice possibility of
Oh, no, that is not true. That is 1 by 4. For probability of 2 head, it got 1 by 4. It's not.
Either getting heads or
Sir, at least tell the complete experiment you have to tell. Not simply tell. Here, answer should be, listen here. Value of the probability should come as none. Means N of P should be same as N of S. E and SR should be same. Yes.
that's when dash is told what's the probability of getting
Probability of getting 1 from 1 by simple. No, that is also wrong. Yes.
in a pack of 52 cards getting 26 red cards.
26 red cards is 1 by 2. 26 by 52.
So
Wrong.
that pack having 26 red.
So you are talking pack of cards or 26 red cards?
Yes.
26 red cards, that pack contains only 26 cards.
Yes.
Okay, give us. Yes.
The coin is tossed once, the probability of getting one head.
One head and one tail. One head and one tail is 0, impossible even. Head or tail. Head or tail is 1. Okay. A coin is die is rolled, getting a number less than 7. The die is rolled, getting a number less than 7. All of them. 6 by 6, 1. Yes or no? Two dice are rolled, getting a sum less than 30. All of them. All of them are less than 30. Understood or not? These are all called, it's called sure events. Understood now? Next. Next one. Other one, right? Complementary event. Complementary event. Complementary event. Right. If E is an event, capital E is an event. Its complementary event is denoted by E bar or not E. Somewhere you will see this one also E dash. Okay. E bar, not E, E dash, all these are complementary events. Now the property P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. P of E plus P of E bar is equal to how much? 1. Total probability was the result coming. Okay. What happened now? All okay now? Yeah. Give example, listen. For example, the die is rolled once. E is the event getting a number, even number. Then what is E bar? The balance, odd number. Yes or no? Understood? Now, another one. If E is the event getting a number less than 4 or less than 5, what will be E bar? More, not more than or equal to 5. Okay, yeah. Listen. Complementary event, set theory you studied or not? Not studied. Set union intersection you no, not studied. So have you studied A union B?
Yes.
Have you studied A complement? No.
Yes.
Who has not studied A complement? Then why is this problem? He will tell no, you don't need to show. Okay, you have studied all these standard preemption. Standard. 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 What is the meaning of A complement? Then sit down. Yeah. So A complement, you know what is the meaning of universal set?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. What is the meaning of A complement? Elements which belongs to U but does not belongs to A. That is called A complement. The same way, what is the meaning of E bar? Elements which belongs to the sample space but does not belongs to E. Understood or not? So that means if it is E and E bar are two different sets whose total probability will come is equal to 1. Suppose if it is coming as sample space. Sample space S is equal to, let's in between I don't need a discussion over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I take E is equal to set 1, 3, what will be E bar? 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 1 not 6, no. 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is P of E? What is P of E? 2 upon 6. What is P of E bar? 4 by 6. Total is equal to 1. Okay, the balance is coming as E bar. Or if this is E bar, this is E. Okay, or this is E means E bar, opposite will come. Okay, like that. Now, where it is useful means sometimes the counting and all. Like for example, if it is coming as the probability of at most 10, 2 dice are rolled. Okay, 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting at most 10? What is the meaning of at most 10? Some can, not 10 or at most 10 means what? 10 or less than 10. That means you have to counting what you have to do. You have to count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of that one, you see sum is 11 and sum is 12. Which are the sum is 11 and sum is 12? Sum is 11 is 6, 5, 1, 5, 6. Sum is 12 is how much? 6. Total 3. That is the complement. So complement is 3 by 36. Therefore, P of E is equal to what? 1 minus 3 by 36. That is 33 by 36. Instead of counting all these things, what is the left out things count? 1 minus that one. When questions comes, it will be clear. Now, this already a probability, the topic is over, then one by one, there are questions are there, typical questions when it is coming, we will explain. Okay, now, exercise. 25.1. One or two questions in detail we'll write, remaining we will find out what is that. 25.1 is done, taken. Yes, Bilal, read the first question.
That contains 3 white, a black and 2 red balls, all of the same size and shape. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into it, find the probability that the ball drawn is a black ball.
What is the total number of balls combined? Total is n of s. N of s is equal, write down, n of s is equal to 10. N of s is equal to 10. First one, probability, directly write. Probability of black ball. Probability of getting a black ball. First one, you write the formula. What is the formula? Number of black ball divided by total number of balls. Remaining you can directly write. Number of black balls divided by total number. That is equal to, how many black are there? 5. So 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Don't write it percentage, keep it. Yeah, you don't, this one, just leave as it is. Answer, don't make it to 50% and all. Just keep it as either fraction or in decimal. Okay, simplify 1 by 2 or 0.5, both are correct. Second, red ball, right directly. How do you write the answer? Probability of red ball is equal to 2 by 10. Probability, don't write directly 1 by 5, at least write 2 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Return. Third one, white probability of red ball. White ball. Probability of white ball. How much? 3 by 10. If you want to write everything basically you can write. Okay. Next one, fourth one. Not a red ball. Not a red ball is how much?
8.
Balance 8 by 10. Okay. 4 by 5. Not a black ball. 5 by 10, 1 by 10. Hope all of you followed. Once if your basic concept is clear, these all are very simple one. Okay. Next, second question. Yes. Next, second question. Yes, please.
From a well-shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn will be a black card.
Okay, so n of s is how much?
52.
52. All of you write n of s equal to 52. What are you waiting for? Now, number of black balls, black cards. How many black cards are there?
26.
26. Probability is equal to
1/26.
26 by 52.
1 by 2.
Probability of black card is equal to 26 upon 52, 1 by 2. Next, not be a red card. Okay. Not red card is equal to same thing 26 by 52. Okay. Okay. Third one, red card. Again 20. Okay.
1 by
26 by 52, 1 by 2. Face card. 12 upon 52. 12 by 52 is how much? 3 upon 30. The face card, there are 12. 12 by 52. 12 Which are the base card? King, Queen, and Jack. Okay. Then that is equal to 12 by 52. That is equal to 3 by 13. Next. Face card of red color. 6 by 52.
It's by 52.
Face card of red color. 6 by 52. That is equal to 3 upon 26. Complete all of you?
Yes.
What happens, Neil? All okay? So read the third question.
A and B are two complementary events, then what is the relation between probability of A and probability of B?
What is the relation between P of A and P of B? P of A plus P of B is equal to 1. So right. P of A plus P of B equal to 1. Next, second part. Snail.
If the probability of happening of an event is of A is 0.46, what will be the probability of not happening of the event B?
That is P of A bar, no? Yes or no? So right. P of A is equal to 0.46. 0.46 is P of A. Therefore, P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A. That is equal to 1 minus 0.46. 0.54. 0.54. Complete all of you?
Yes.
Okay. It's a simple ones, no? Okay. One minus 0.46, which is equal to 0.54. Question number 4. Ranveer, read the question for. Actually, one volume, all three together. There is your volume. And where is yours? Yeah, nice. And yours also important. Yeah, read the question.
In a race between Mahesh and John, the probability that John will lose the race is 0.54. Find probability of winning of John.
Okay, then.
Sir, winning of Mahesh.
Huh? What is the meaning of Mahesh?
Sir,
Huh? What does that mean? So right, answer right down. Probability of winning of John is equal to John, sorry. Probability of losing of John. John lose, huh? Losing of John is equal to how many? 0.54. Losing of John is same as right. Losing of John is same as winning of Mahesh. That is return.
Yes.
Therefore, probability of winning of Mahesh is equal to 0.54. Winning of Mahesh is equal to 0.54. Now, next is probability of winning of John. 1 minus 0.54. 0.46. 1 minus 0.54. Is a complementary problem. I hope all of you follow. Okay. Question number 5. Sanvi.
In a single throw of a die, find the probability of getting first bite.
What is the N of S?
1 in 30.
N of S is equal to 6. No. What is the probability of winning 5? 1 by 6. What about 8? 0. Number less than 8. 1. 6 by 6. 1. Prime number.
3 by 6.
3 by 6, which is equal to 2, 3, 5. They are the prime numbers. Okay. So steps write properly. N of S is equal, sample space right. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then return. First one. Probability of 5 is equal to P of 5 is equal to how many? 1 by 6. P of 5 return, which is equal to 1 by 6. Second one, P of 8. That is equal to 0 by 6, which is equal to 0. Third one, P of, do it yourself, P of number less than 8. P of number, are you writing? P of number less than 8, which is equal to 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. Are you following? Next, probability of prime number. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. Correct. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. That is equal to P of prime number is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Are you writing anything? Just simply not 1 by 6 0. The reason time pass we are doing now. And you are copying this. The right probably will become the exam. You have to write the steps. Yeah. Question number 6. Which cannot be the probability of the event. First one. First one.
It can,
Yes. It is the probability. Second one. No. Second one is. Second one is not a probability. Greater than 1. Third one.
Yes.
48%.
43.
Those who don't have the volume standard. Those who don't have the volume standard. Hello, keep it the point close to standard play. Down here. Who's in this one? Standard play, those who don't. Standard play, keep it in the mind. Keep it in the mind. Next class on those who don't have the volume, I'll send you a comment. And then why it is very difficult. So you got it over there. 4 books should be. Don't make any expect before. Yeah, I don't need to see that. Sit down. Next class over there, I'll tell you now. Huh? Why? Yeah. Who is that? Yeah. Next, question number. All of you are taking my word. Everywhere it's there.
Yes.
So over here, which of the following are cannot be the probability means which are the answers?
43%.
43%.
22.7.
Listen, which cannot be the probability. So
Minus
answers are
0.6.
2.6, 2.7, minus 0.6, and minus 3.2. Answer is which are the second, fourth, and fifth. Answer is second, fourth, and the fifth one. 6 is for 0.35 is the probability, no? Okay. Question is which is not the probability. Yeah. Next. Okay. So next question. Can you read the question?
Find the probability that
All of you find out and write the answer.
Done.
All of you do it. I will ask Dhoni. Write the answer in the book. Okay. How many of you got the answer? Others do it fast. Put the hand down. I see the play. Yes.
5.
Bilal, what is the first answer?
530.
How did you get 5 by 31? Explain. Explain now.
N of S is equal to 31.
N of S is equal to 31. Okay, then
And in Wednesday.
Wednesday. How many Wednesdays are there?
5.
5 Wednesdays. So 5 upon 31.
yes,
Second one. Shardul, his answer. So again, Friday, how many are there? 5. So 5 by 31. Okay. Home, what is the next answer? 8 upon 31. How many Tuesdays are there? 4. And how many Saturdays? 4. 4 plus 4, 8 upon 31. All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Then no problems. Okay. So go to the second exercise. Yeah. I'm going to ask one by one to solve the start. Keep on solving. All of you. These are the simple ones only. Second exercise can start me. You want me to read the first question?
9 cars, all identical in all respects, are numbered 2 to 10. A card is selected from them at random. Find the probability that the card selected would be an even number, a multiple of 3, an even number and multiple of 3, an even number or a multiple of 3.
So there are 4 different parts are there. If question comes, 4 marks will be there. Okay, tell me one by one. What is Naomi? What is the N of S?
9.
9. It is given already, no? Otherwise also 2 to 10. Okay, 9. So how many even numbers are there?
5.
How many Naomi's are here?
5, 2, 2,
Paka? Tell which are the
4,
5.
6, 8, and
2. So 5 are there. So what is the probability of even number?
5 by
5 by 9. 5 by 9, no? Probability multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 3. 3 which are there? 3, 6, 9. 3 by multiple of 3 is 3. That is 3 by 9. That is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, next one. Third part. Give all the answers.
6 by 9.
Even, huh?
Sorry.
Even number and multiple of 9. Even number and multiple common. How many? Only one, no? 6 is the only one number. Answer is 1 by 9. Next one, even number. Sure. Which are the tell me?
2, 3,
No.
1, 9,
Okay. 2 9. No.
6, 8,
Even number. Then
9.
6 is already how many times you have to count? Wait. Tell which are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. Which are the multiple of 9? 3.
3, 6,
3, 6 is already counted. 3 and 9. So total how many is 6? 6 by, okay, 1, 5 and 7 is not there. So the last part it is coming even number of multiple of 3. There are how many ways are there? 6. Which are the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiples of 3 are which one? 3, 6, 9. Out of which 6 is already counted. So 2 more only. So total is equal to 6. Okay. So answer is equal to how much? 6 by 9. That is equal to 2 by 3. Hope all of you followed. Okay. 10 or 10 also is there. 7 by 9. 10 by 9. 10 by 10. So it is coming as 7 by 9. We will not count the 10. So answer is 7 by 9. Okay. Next one. Huh? Fourth one. Even number. Which are the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 are there. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9. Out of this 6 is already counted. So there 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 9. Okay now. Next one. Sidra.
From 25 identical cards numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 22, 24, 25. One card is drawn at random. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is a multiple of first one 3.
Yeah. What is the end of S?
25.
25. How many multiples of 3 are there? 8. So first answer is 8 upon 25. Which are the multiples of 5? How many multiples of 5 are there? 5 5s are 25. So 5 by 25. 3 and 5. Only one number, isn't it? 3 and 5. 15 is only the number. Okay, that is equal to 1 upon 3 or 5. Which are the multiples of 3? There are 8 multiples of 3 and 5 multiples of 5. 8 plus 5, 13, out of which 1 is common. Okay. So, then listen, remember the next class we will start the graphical representation of the
That is.